guys. Well, today is Authentic Day. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic Fashionphile twin items, I DIY, I compare bags to review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. I was on Fashionphile like, I don't know, a month and a half ago, and I found a Gucci Marmont cobalt blue velvet bag, mini size, and it was gorgeous. It had some pressure marks and stuff, but I learned how to deal with velvet, and luckily I was able to remove them. So I do have the Evil Twin version. However, it is size small. The authentic one that I just purchased, pre-loved, is a mini. And what got me started was, I forget who, but someone on YouTube was like, even though this is a pretty, you know, Evil Twin bag, I can tell it's not real because I have the authentic one. And I was like, So I was like, I really need this authentic. Found her for a great price, under $1,000, and I had to get it. It didn't include the dust bag or the box or whatever. Doesn't matter because that stuff is just getting stored away and I'm running out of room. The pressure marks were like questionable. I was like, wow, it's on sale and it's so pretty, but the pressure marks, and I kept looking at it thinking, oh boy, am I gonna get myself into something crazy? However, Fashionphile allows you to return the item as long as you leave that little tag there, don't get it off. So let's just get to it. Here she is. Fashionphile will provide a dust bag if it doesn't come with the original. Just on my arm. These are little items it included. Funny story is they have this special where you can put down payment and then do incremental payments until you get the bag, until you pay it off, and then they'll send you the bag. However, I got eager and I just paid off the whole thing. It took them like a long time because they had some inventory issues, so it took a minute to get here, which was annoying. Whatever, it's here now. So they include, got a lot of these now, nail file, and the receipts and whatnot with some confetti. They didn't give me a pretty box this time, but whatever. They overnighted it because it was like bouncing around in different inventories. I guess they're opening up a Fashionphile in the East Coast, New Jersey or whatever, but unfortunately this got sent to New Jersey and then I had to come back over here. There's receipts. They give you this, I don't know what this is, but look at that. The Chanel little tiny bags, micro bags. It's a calendar. Oh my God, I didn't even notice. I forgot to mention that they did give me a $100 gift card for, you know, the inconvenience and whatnot, and I was happy about that. So let's look at this calendar real quick. Oh my God, how cute is this? They don't got a Gucci one. There's some little Gucci here. Dragging on. I did clean her, okay? So when you see her, it will not look like what it was advertised because it looks better now. Okay, so let's keep it open. Here she is. Beautiful. I'm gonna remove this tag after this video because I realized that I want to keep her. She is gorgeous. And they do, again, just a tag. Fashionphile, to rip this off, you gotta keep her, or you can resell it back to them at a lower cost than what you paid for. But isn't she gorgeous? You can tell I removed all marks from the chain that was rested here, and it does collect Peppermint's hair. I have to admit that. Other than that, like dust, not really, but she's so pretty. I did stuff her already, so I don't want to touch this part. I will start pushing it down, like clasping it or closing it by pushing the double G's, so I don't have to mess up. Velvet's really delicate. Well, not as delicate as silk, because my Gucci silk bag is probably the most delicate bag I have. Look inside. She is a gorgeous pink satin. A lot of you know about this bag. Sure, a lot of people are over the Gucci Marmont thing. I'm not. So, obviously, However, I do have, how many do I have now? This is my 4th authentic Gucci Marmont. Like I got the wallet on a chain, the pink one. I have the super mini black, that's authentic. And then my red silk Gucci Marmont bag. So that's one thing I wouldn't do. I wouldn't purchase the leather ones that are larger because it's such a, like a bag that everybody, it's just too basic for me, I guess. Although I do have the pastel line, that's Evil Twin. But anyway, let's go back to my authentic cobalt blue Marmont bag. So gorgeous. And straight away, when I put it next to the Evil Twin, you can tell. It's the mini, so it does have just like a little pocket, not a zip. The small one does have a zip. So typically what I would do now is, I did spray the Apple water repellent, Apple brand I believe it's called, all over her last night, and she's doing wonderfully. So, for those of you who do not like Gucci Marmont bags, don't even comment because I don't want to hear it. But I'm so happy with this purchase. Let me get the Evil Twin. Okay. I will do a comparison of the two. So this is the authentic and this is the Evil Twin. And you can tell because the Evil Twin, it's popped open. Evil Twin one, the velvet quality is not as good as the authentic one. And all of the chains are very good. Also the leather pieces on the authentic is darker than the Evil Twin. But that's a different video. I am also gonna do another video on how I removed the chain marks. All the marks is pretty much gone. I mean, velvet bags are very like, they're not uniform because if you like, you know, rub it a certain way, it will not look like one basic color, but that's what velvet is. I will do a video on how to care for velvet, how to clean it, what products you can use to protect it, just in case like it won't. So even, let me just make another video on that. The lovely Gucci Marmont bag in velvet cobalt blue. I don't like what happens when the chain starts resting on it, so I will wear it like this. You just put the chain like this. That's what I did. You just put the chain across it, and there it is. So if I do wear a crossbody like this, I will do this, just because I do not want the chain to rest on top of it, especially if it's gonna be a long day and I'm out and about. I do not want that. Although I know how to remove it, I don't want to. And that's just this lovely bag. I know it's controversial. People are like, is it a classic bag or is it gonna go out of style? No, for me, this is a classic bag. Everyone has their own taste. To each his own. You might hate Gucci Marmont bags, but you might have a velvet bag that you want to learn how to care for. Then watch the next video. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to remove this and talk to you soon. Bye.